Designed for a Paraguayan couple, Himmel Trial House is a home to settle down in for their retirement that built in the forests of Guaira, with cantilevers off 3 concrete walls to project over the site's steep and lush landscape. Running perpendicular to the slope, the home's open-concept kitchen, living and dining room welcome visitors as soon as they enter through the front door. Three concrete walls are set into the slope, creating a platform from which steel and glass structure cantilevers. On either side of this volume are the private areas, the owner's living quarters to one side, and a home gym on the other. Roughly cross-shaped in plan, the interior living spaces are delineated by only a few walls. Because of the difficult access to the site, Bowen chose to use shorter steel sections that would be easier to transport. According to the architects, the primary structure was manufactured in 60 days, and assembled in only 7 using bolted connections. The home interiors were completed in a minimal palette of reflective white surfaces, with little furniture or other elements to distract from the views. At the highest point of the building, a covered terrace looks out over the mountainous landscape beyond. An exterior staircase leads up to a secondary roof terrace that is open to the elements. Here's a look at the plan.